4G. Big HD 25 gon' pull for me. We be everywhere, they can't keep up with me. We do anything we want, they know what's up with me. Top down, screaming loud, where your car at, nigga? You ride Chevy Mustang or you a Mopar, nigga? From the ski swerving all the way to GR, nigga. You hear them things coming through, you know that them are niggas. Pull up and park, make them engines bark. Concrete look like art, spinning shit until them bitches spark. We in that push to start, do the dash, niggas coming fast. Hold on, let them pass, cause we don't go and they already know that they gon' come in last. Got the engine in the back, you see the ass on her. Switch the top, I can't lie, I think the glass colder. Cop diesel on they ass, ain't no last owner. Brand new off the lot, drop cash on her.
What up, YouTube? This your boy Primetime Zay, and I'm back with another video, man. If you ain't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like the video, share, leave a comment, you know what I'm saying? Today, we out here at Mona Lake for the Big Homie Cheese car show, and they starting to pull in right now, you know what I'm saying? I had to work early today, so I had my brother, my older brother, bring my car out here. So we're finna go out here, do a walk around real quick, check this thing out, see what's going on, see who out here. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna leave this iPad in this dang truck, leave this truck running, lock this thing. Take my keys with me. Let's get out here and see what's going on. I already hear the copyright going. Okay, Zoo Boy is out here. Y'all seeing this early this year. Don't spend too much time there. Got this money right here. Clean. Super clean. OG underneath the hood. Yes, sir. They look good on the wheels, too. We just seen that before. This thing clean right here. Ooh-wee. Big block. Got the Stang gang. I know the OGs had them laps out here. So, like, I don't know what wheels on this. My guy. I think I got his car in too many videos already. Let's see what's else out here. I got that copyright going. Y'all know I gotta play a beat over top of this. Definitely copyrighted. That my boy Clay. Yeah, my brother brought it out here for me early. See that thing? They got left. Man, somebody come buy this car from Deshaun, man. He done had this thing for sale for the last 2 years. Let y'all see this thing real quick. He cleaning the inside too. Y'all come buy bro car, man. Got the trunk done up. Think he won a 20 ball for him too. Y'all hit him up. He got 22 on that, but y'all talk to him about that. Got the nasty Fofo too right here. He came to my car show too, so at my car show I didn't get to record good. There was some key things that I wasn't even recording. I was recording. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't recording because I ain't pressed the button. And so I ain't even post a video for my car show. Cause my video just wasn't even right. But bro had this out here too at my car show. Thing definitely clean. This thing's so nasty on these wheels. See, this brush gold. See, like my wheels on my Monte Carlo got this brush gold on there too. I love that brush gold that Forgiato got. That's a good looking gold to me. Nasty. And he got the steering wheels too. He cleaned it up. This Regal. Roots. That Mac. OG. Smoke. Y'all know. Now I do got a lot of new subscribers too, so all my new subscribers, this is my T8. I also got a 2024 Silverado, and I got a 84 Monte Carlo SS as well. I'm gonna do another video later on that too. This thing right here, clean. Look like they put a grill on that thing. Somebody out there cutting up. Guy from K-Zoo. He nasty. He got a lot of details in this thing. I think he's selling this too right now. On the 6s. He got the Forgiato on the bed. Rivy right here, hit. I think this Rivy won Best in Show last year. Clean. And this thing got bags on it too. My cousin Don over here. Don got the Jeeps out here. Him and his wife's. His and hers right here. They also got the interior done too. You got like the flag in the seats. That's cool. Hope y'all can see that. Got the stars on that side. Honeycomb type theme in hers. You like this one better than the purple one? Yeah. See, y'all know he had the purple Monty. Now you got the Cutlass. He keeping something on the hydraulics. Okay, this thing got like some roses in there. Got some little details in there. Check him out. T-top. Got the OG with the vet out here. Check Cheese out. This Cheese right here. He the only person I done seen do this. It's different. But he got the box Chevy wrapped up. What's going on? What up, dog? Rootsies. Let's see what else down here. What up, though? You got Sis. You got the F body out here. She clean. I like this color on this thing. She needs some rose wheels to go on here. That's all she needs. Cause I know she said she wanted some different wheels too, but these wheels do look good on her too, though. Let's go. But the rose wheels are hit. with this red. Not rose gold, rose. It's a difference. So clean. Hunches. Got the homie Clay. Clay got that big SS on it. What up, though? Clean shit, clean shit. Got another review right here. He laid on them big roaches. This truck lifted. This that Black Widow. Sheesh. Black Widow edition on this thing right here. Nice. They got the frame painted underneath. What type of stuff going on? Grand National right here. This the king of the G bodies right here. Y'all see Cheese, man.
My guy right here. I'm gonna have to show you his vet. I'm showing you his vet in a couple seconds. Guys. He ain't bullshit.
Hey, that's who throwing this thing. Big Cheese, man. I love Grand Nationals. These things really the king of the G bodies for real. Like this. Definitely a cane with it. 442. What's going on? Chillin'? You bring something out here? You brought it out here? You put some new wheels on it, didn't you? I'm about to check it out. I seen you in traffic. I don't think I seen it yet for real though. Z06. That Maserati thing out here. Got to. Shit too low. Tahoe. They got the copyright going up there. Okay, got Rich Ken out here. Finally done pulled the cutlass out. That boy got a pearl in his toe. Sheesh. Pearl hit. Got my dog pulling up.
So take off first and they step to like wait, say one time.
Okay. No. They got cheese car up here too up front. We're gonna check it out. Got the Slingshots. I need this one right here. This thing match my truck. This mug got a pearl in it. Got like a purple pearl in this thing. I don't know if I can see it. Gotta catch it from this angle. What's happening? Chill. There you go. See you out here. Big E. About an hour. Yeah. Big E got got that copyright playing. I ain't trying to hit. They got some old school toys over there. What up, though? Yeah. For sure. Check cheese shit out real quick. He made me walk way down here. I ain't killing them though. Gucci print up in there. Oh, see, you got them seats covered up. I see the back of this thing. The details. A lot of details in here. With the Tierra grill, OG. And he got the print up in here in the front too. He went crazy. Take y'all back up through this thing with all the copyright at. Seen the El Camino up there. I'm finna show y'all that too. El Camino nice. Fuck with El Camino. That was like one of the cars I wanted. Before the Monte Carlo, I always wanted the El Camino with that SS kit like the Monte Carlos had, but I already got the Vet. It only got 2 seats. I want an old school with at least, you know, a back seat up in there. So I got a little bit of family now, so when we go to the car events and stuff like that, they can pop out with me. Let y'all see this El Camino though. So I got the bounce house over here for the kids.
Elmer, what the fuck?
Got the money. Wee, Andy on the 4Gs. Fresh. Like he got like foes in the back, like deuces in the front, something. This thing clean though.
He ain't playing it.
No, he clean for sure.
Yeah, he ain't playing.
Always wanted me an El Camino with this same front on here. ZL1 over here. Let's check this thing out. All right now, so check out the Z. See what that is. You got carbon fiber in that thing too. Carbon fiber good. Alright man, when I check something else out, man, I'm gonna show y'all what's going on right now. I'm gonna get out this sun. It's too hot out here. Matter of fact, mirror right here, I overlook this one. I be seeing this in traffic too. Got some gold wheels on it. Z28. Yeah, y'all see the vibes, man. I'm on the lake. I ain't never been out here ever in my life growing up in Muskegon and ever seen him on the lake when it was packed and it been a bad time. Always have a good time at on the lake. Oh, check out this bike right here though. Got the little bike tricked out. Scrolling. Look at this thing on bags. They got the speakers up in there. What if that's powering the switches right there or something? What he got going on with that remote control? Working cool. Finna check out Big E-Bike real quick. This thing nasty. Get into the details he got going on. See that big wheel. Alright, gang, I ain't finna get copyrighted, man. I'm finna mingle with some people real quick. I'll cut the camera back on. We see something else pull up. Check out the 442. He must have just got it washed. Still wet. Check out the bike real quick.
I'll be out here next one, Lord's will.
Slide with that. Clean box 7. Roof in that thing. All give me that copyright. Look at the bikes.
Elmer, what the fuck?
hardest right here. Y'all see what it is.
It's all good on this side. Bacon. Whoever don't eat pork, it's turkey. It's all good though. It's good, but keep frying bacon on this side. It's over here. It's way over here. Way that Kendrick Lamar in 3. Video live.
You know so. You know so. Elma, what the fuck? Yeah, that's that shit.
Beat your ass and hide the Bible and God watch you. Extra shit, the floor, say Drake.
Loud environment on it. Cam sounds good in that bitch. Ooh. That bitch on the ground. Ever just seen somebody driving y'all shit, you be like, damn, that motherfucker hard. That's how I be looking. That bitch sounds so good. That bitch sounds good to the motherfucker. I said, that bitch sounds so good. I forgot you ain't even drove this bitch yet. I have to let you drive it on the way back.